Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Aston Martin 6-litre V12 Vanquish. This is a 2013 model. I'm going to start off showing you around the outside of this spectacular car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside. From the outside you can of course see those beautiful alloy wheels. It's a two-door car. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all, and then work our way back round to the front from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see the twin tailpipes. Not a bad amount of boot space at all, given the nature of the car as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. You'll notice the 20-inch alloys are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around. We have full comprehensive service history with this vehicle as well. The last service was done within the last 3,000 miles at main dealer. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the inside of the driver's door card, where you can see we have a Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Moving over to the dials next, we have on the far left-hand side the fuel gauge, then the speedometer, rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. Within the speedometer, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, we're in park at the moment. It will show you the same thing in the centre at the top. We've also got a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. Within the rev counter, the total miles for the car, they are 43,158. If we back out to the steering wheel next, over on the left-hand side, we have our phone controls. We can change the suspension setup. Over on the right-hand side, we can put the car into sport. We've also got our cruise control as well. And behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedals that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over into the centre next, we have the main screen. So the movement that you can see me making on the screen currently is being done using this dial, which rotates, pushes down to enter certain menus, or you can use these buttons to access the menus highlighted. We are on the main menu at the moment. So that wheel, for example, can be used to pair your phone. Push the dial down, you're then in the phone menu. We can come back out to the home screen. You can access your satellite navigation from on here as well. So navigation will be under the navigation menu. Phone, audio. When it comes to audio, we've got USB input, the radio, of course, auxiliary input as well, and an audio settings menu within that section also. And you can access the vehicle's reversing camera, which, as you can see, has got guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. Working our way down, we have the gears for the car. So park, reverse, neutral and drive. The key itself is in here. So to start the car up, we've just turned it off. To start the car up, you insert the key and then push that button in, and that is the engine on the car started. And you can probably hear the exhaust from in here. It, of course, sounds fantastic. Below that, we have our climate control. So we can adjust the temperature, the fan speed up and down from here. You can turn your air conditioning off and on again. You can put the whole system into max if you wish to. You can change the direction the air is being distributed, of course. And then below that, we have got heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings. And you can adjust that up and down accordingly. You can also turn on from here the air-conditioned driver's seat, and you can do the same over on the passenger side. So we've got our heated seat there, or our air-conditioned seat, both of which have got 3 different settings on each side of the car. The buttons we went through just a moment ago, beneath which we can turn our parking sensors on and off, the traction control on and off. We can put the car into a track mode. We have our hazard warning lights. Again, you can turn those on and off from here. Some storage. And to the side of this, the controls for the electric driver's seat. You can see there 3 different memory settings for this seat as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.